Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a beer-infused barbecue sauce using Ballast Point Sculpin. Let's get started. Put about a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot, chop about 10 cloves of garlic, put that into the hot pot. We're going to chop about 5 green onions, toss that in there as well. Stir that around, get that cooking, get it caramelized. Now we're going to chop up an onion to small thin pieces. We're going to toss it in as well. We're going to get this all cooked down until it's all softened. And then we're going to add about half of the beer, stir it around, scrape all the edges, and then we're going to add the rest of the beer in there as well. And we're going to cook that and reduce that by 50%. Now we're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar packed down, about 2 tablespoons of molasses. We're going to add some honey. I'm using a creamed honey here. Any honey works, but we're going to use about a 1/4 cup. Now we're going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to strain out all the garlic, onion, and green onion. Back to that pot, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, some garlic powder, some chipotle chili pepper, about a tablespoon of paprika, and we're going to stir that around. Now we're going to add in a large 64-ounce bottle of ketchup. Add your beer mixture. And then we are going to reduce that by 25% until it's nice and dark colored, just like this sauce here. When you get to that color, you know it's going to be perfect. It's going to taste amazing. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.